this cookies from Asda?
Yeah.
We will try it. How much are they?
160.
Oh, cheaper?
Yeah.
Which Asda? The one that nearby or biggest Asda? Oh, I'm excited to try this. You hungry? I think the rice is already cooked.
I need a pee.
Me too, because you open the door and you leave it open. Makes me cold.
Well, I was just about to say to you, put her in the car seat.
The little one?
Yeah.
Your little one?
Oh,
How much did you pay?
Laura came in today and I give her a cuddle.
Because it's gold.
-2 income.
Really? Unbox natin to guys. Gabi na ako nag-vlog kasi umorder si Mr. ng isang set ng pan sa online. Georgette ang brand nito. Sa Asda niya, kinuha, pinick up. Parang brand to ng Asda siguro. Meron namang Asda dito sa amin, kaso pinakamalayo kasi siya. At saka Tesco pala malayo. Pero maganda sana sa Tesco kasi malaki. Ang pinakamalapit talaga sa amin guys ay Aldi. Kaya madalas kami sa Aldi. And then Morrison. Tsaka, ano pa ba? Sainsbury's medyo malayo din eh. Kaya bihira din kami sa Sainsbury's. So, i-unbox na natin to. Nagluto ako ng adobo for dinner. Kakarating nga lang ni Mr. galing sa work. Norder niya to parang last Sunday, last weekend. And then Tuesday ngayon niya lang na pick up. Pero ngayon talaga ang dating, siguro wala silang stocks. So, i-open natin. Ang bigat niya, medyo mabigat. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to. Parang 50 pounds. Ang pagkakatanda kong sabi niya, hindi ko lang sure. Ano to? May letter. So, wala nakalagay na price. Meron lang description ng item sa loob. Pagbungad mo ganito, ang itsura niya. So, ganyan guys. Oh, kita nyo baga. So, ganyan. Pag open. Very nice.
House is lovely and warm.
House, yeah.
Are they okay?
The lid. I just only saw the lid. Haven't opened the box, fully opened the box yet.
Well, the lid's okay.
Looks like, yeah, there are wood theme, but they're not actually wood. They are plastic.
Yeah.
Have you read that?
Yeah. Yeah, they bake a lot.
So this is the bigger pot. What is inside? I think there's a lid inside. I'm gonna put it on the stove first. So I'm gonna get rid of the box. Ang laki ng box kasi guys. So, ayan. And then next layer is ito. Another pan. Parang aesthetic si Mr. Hindi pala dark gray to. Akala ko dark gray. So, wood ano siya, team. Pero hindi siya wood. Plastic siya. Ay, may scratch na, oh. Ito yung isang pan. Kumapit yung kulay. Ano kayong kumapit? Yung sa puwet? Pakita kay Mr. Ang lamig. Ito yung isa. Mr. Wood already have marks, scratch. What is that? Stop, don't scratch your nails.
I'm not bothered.
I'm just saying. Because you ordered online, you are not able to check inside, so they give you not so perfect or nice. Ganun na yung paniniwala ko guys. Ganun paniwala ko pag online mo binili, may imperfection pagdating sa'yo. It's so big, this pan.
Yeah.
So flat. Ang laki naman. Why you got this big? How many pieces? 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 pans. Can you take out the box, please? Can you take it down? It's too big. So, let's count how many. So, ayan. Wait! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces? 7. How many lid? Put it here. I'm gonna put a paper. Oh, it's not for that. That is the smallest. It's nice because it has a mouth. Yeah. If you're gonna pour a water or something. A pasta. Nice. How much is this? Ito yung isa pala. Lid.
Take my shoes off and go and see someone.
Yeah. Ay, ang sikip ng kanyang pagkalid.
That's a door.
Hmm?
I got home last night. Michaela was out on the floor and I went, Michaela, Daddy's here. And she went,
What Laura said.
you know what it's like? I'm not happy on me. I have to go to work.
Yeah.
I said, really funny.
So, meron siyang 4 na lid. It has 4 lid, mister, or cover. And then, I think some other fits. Ito, naka-fit siya dito. And then, it will fit again to the pan.
Give me a look into the camera.
Both. It dual purpose, the lid, what I'm saying. So, this lid, it's gonna be there as well. See?
But that one's not going to fit that one.
I think it's gonna fit this one.
Oh, maybe.
Try it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Mm.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it is
I
good.
didn't know it did that.
And it's quiet, you know, it's suction a little because it's rubber. So, there's only one pan that has no lid. And won't fit any lid on it. Ito lang, guys. Ang laki naman kasi, oh. Ba't kaya bumili si Mr. ng pagkalaki-laki? Ano kaya ipa-fry niya dito? And, basahin ko nga kung ano to. Parang George ang brand nito. Tignan natin itong papel. Ayan, George Home. Simplicity Gray. 7 pieces set. So, yan. Suitable for ring, collagen, gas, ceramics hubs. Okay din naman. Ganda. Ganda rin. Sana magtagal. Kasi guys, yung aming isang set ay sa Donelm namin binili yun. Ito. Maganda pa naman siya. Si Mr. ang ginagawa kong taga-kuskus ng aking mga oils. Pero, itong kanyang frying fan, although hindi siya masyadong kita, nagasgas na, nadikit na yung aming pina-fry dito. Eh, sabi ko kay Mr. Ibili niya ako yung ganito lang. Katulad kunwari pag nagpa-fry ng bacon, ganyan. Order pa rin siya ng isang set. Sa namin, kaya ilalagay yan napakadami. Mahilig din si Mr. sa mga set-set kasi. Maganda siya kasi may lip, oh. Pag nag-boil ka ng pasta and then ipopour mo yung water. So, medyo ano siya, nasa suction and yung lid medyo safe. I haven't opened that.
When did it come?
4:45. Is it? I think 4:45.
You're going to get a smile, are you looking?
Hello! Ito pala na-unbox na on. That's from the pan.
Yeah, I know, but why is it on the floor?
Ito pala siya na record. So, I ordered this for some insects inside the house. I think they came from plants, isn't it? Some insects. Laura's
really?
also have.
Same as yesterday?
No.
No, you made some new. And then
Not enough.
Papa got Mama some cookies to try.
Yeah, I'm excited
Well,
to
I got
try
you
that.
different ones. I got you some shortbread if you want. The
So,
blue one.
they are square. How many
Shortbread.
pieces?
4. As it says, 4 milk.
Yeah, there. Couldn't see it. What about these cookies? Rounded.
cookies.
Let's eat na. The rice is ready.
Yeah, everything's ready.
Hello.
The only thing that's not ready is the kettle.
Yeah, you can plug that. So the problem, we're gonna put them now.
Don't know.
They're not so perfect.
We'll think about it after. They were cheap.
How much are they?
£50.
50 pounds. But they're nice. How much the Donelm?
65.
Oh, expensive. But it's only 5 pieces, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think we don't need to use them yet. This. I only want
I'm
to
gonna
use
say,
is this
you
pan.
use the one you think you'll need,
This what I need.
and
And also this small one, I think. So
you can either save the others or use the others,
put
can't you?
put, put them there on the top, mister. So what I want is just these two. I'm gonna use this lid. Ay, di pala yan. The other one. So put them back. I think I'm gonna use this because this is big. Yeah?
So that one.
So
and
this
that one.
and this one.
So those three. And
Yeah,
then keep
the rest.
Keep the other four. What about this one?
Oh, I don't need that.
So I think we can
Put them back on the top. Where's the other papers?
They might go in here.
So
I've just thrown it outside. I'm not throwing it. It's just in there.
she's eating her hand.
No.
Stop eating your hand. No, I'm gonna use this here. That is too small.
This one.
Bakit parang basa? They are wet.
Inside the pan.
So save them later when we need spares extra. Put down that little one. Hello, you miss Akada? You happy playing? She's happy playing there.
Oh, we could put it in the corner where the spider plant is.
No, it's getting wet in there.
Okay.
Put it on top. There. I think they'll fit there. Yeah. Hi.
Your eyes brown today. They look brown from here.
Yeah. We're gonna eat na. I'm gonna wash this later.
Where's my bottle?
They're nice. Mura lang pala to. Mas mahal pala yung sa Dunelm. I want this big for some pasta or anything.
Yes,
or soup.
Want it for.
Because this is so small. This is the biggest pan.
It'll be good for cooking the ham as well.
This one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nag-prepare ng tea si Mr. guys. Lagyan natin ng milk. Ang lamig sa labas. Ang lamig sa call kung saan siya nag-work. Nag-snow kanina. Pinicturan niya. Mag-ready na ako ng ulam. So, bali adobo pala guys ang aking niluto kanina. Ni-slow cook ko lang to kasi kawa nga ng aming baby. Naalagaan ko. May namayat may akong tignan. Tapos nung nagising siya, sa taas ko kasi siya pinatulog. Nakasalang na to. Kaya mahinang apoy lang talaga. Medyo mabigat siya. Ito yung pan namin ng Dunelm eh. Tagal na rin yan. Ay, parang 1 year na yan. Kasi 1 year na kami dito sa bahay. Mag-ano lang tayo ng rice. Sandok lang tayo ng rice. Hello! Let's eat! Rico! Yung ating Christmas tree. Ay, Christmas tree pa din. Hindi pa rin natatanggal. Rico! You pulling mama's hair. Adobo lang ang ating ulam, guys. Yeah. Tama na yan. Hindi naman nagre-reklamo si Mr. Ulit-ulit na luto. Thank you. I cook this very slow fire because the little one is so sleepy upstairs. Ay! You got hiccups? You got hiccups? What is it? Alright. Don't put too much sauce on your rice. It's a bit salty. Yeah, tagadag. Yeah.